Hello and welcome to another video. This is the Xiaomi AirDots Pro. It's their latest and greatest earphones, and all the text on the box is in Chinese, so let's just open it and see what's inside. As with all Xiaomi products, the packing is very well made and looks very nice. For charging, we have a USB Type-C to Type-A, so we don't need to bring an extra cable, which is nice. Here's also a user manual, but it's also in Chinese, so let's move on and take out the rest of the box. The charging case is small and is in a matte white color that looks very nice. In front we have a small LED light. On the right side is a physical button to activate pairing mode. On the back is some text, and under is a USB Type-C connector for charging. It looks quite nice and I like the design with hard edges on top and at the bottom. The lid is magnetic and easy to open and close, and it also feels quite sturdy built. Let's have a look at the earphones. They also look quite nice in white color. The earpiece has a glossy finish, while the stem has a matte finish. I'm glad they did it this way, because the glossy finish is easier to clean, and the matte one just looks better. If it was all glossy, it would look a bit cheap anyway. You may also have noticed that the stem is quite a bit thicker compared to Apple's AirPods, but they look quite good, and the build quality feels very nice. Under we have the charging connectors. These also have infrared sensors that detects if they're in or out of your ear, and automatically pauses the music or video when you take them out. It also automatically starts again when you put them back into the ears. This is very nice as we don't have to tap to pause or play if you're shortly removing the earphones and reinserting them. A nice feature that makes a big difference. When it comes to the battery, they perform well, so we get about 4 hours of music per charge, and the case will recharge them between 3 and 4 times. Charging the earphones from empty to full takes about 1 hour, so they're quickly ready to go again. They also sit quite nicely in the case, so they're not going to move or fall out. There are also magnets holding them in place. The LED light in front will also light up in red color while the case is charging. To pair, we don't have to take the earphones out of the case, but the process is still easy. Just hold the button on the side for about 6 seconds until the light starts flashing. Now you can find it on the phone and just click it. That's it, we're now connected for audio and calls. There's also another device available in the Bluetooth menu, which I think is the case. You can actually download an app from Xiaomi that will let you customize the controls for music, etc. and see the battery capacity of the case. But I haven't used it much yet, since it's only available in Chinese language and can only be downloaded from their website. Hopefully it will come to Google Play in English language soon, but we just have to wait and see. Now let's see how fast they will reconnect. Again, we don't have to take the earphones out of the case, just open the lid and they will connect automatically. To control music, we have to put them into the ears. As you can see here, the controls don't work while they're outside, but you could of course put a finger in front of the sensor, but anyway, I'll put them in my ears. When I put them in, the music starts automatically, and I can now double tap on the right one to pause or play. Double tapping on the left one to open the assistant. There's no skip to next or previous song, but from what I have understood, it can be set in the Chinese app, so if you choose to use that one, you can do it there. The earphones are very comfortable to wear and sit nicely in the ear without falling out, with normal use. If you do sports, there may be a risk of them falling out though. Regarding call quality, the microphones are quite good. Both earphones have microphones and noise reduction works well, but you have to use both of them at the same time. I had no complaints during calls during my tests, so the quality is quite good. The sound quality is also quite good. It's crisp and clear, with a nice overall balance. Mids and vocals are especially good, and the bass is quite okay, but they can't match with the bass we get from in-ear style earphones. The volume isn't too loud though. It gets quite high, but I can play at max volume without feeling much discomfort. I probably wouldn't go any higher anyway, but some people may want to do so. So that's one thing to notice, especially if you play very loud music. When it comes to latency, it's not very noticeably in YouTube and apps like that, but in games it's still too much. Especially in games like PUBG, where there's a lot of fast action. Overall, a very nicely made product with beautiful sound, but not enough bass in my opinion. And the max volume might not be loud enough for some people. It's got good battery life of 4 hours and the case gives about 12 to 14 hours, which isn't the best, but I think it's okay for such a small case. So what do you think? Is this a good enough product for this price? Let me know in the comments below. And that's it for my review. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.